Hey guys, this is for all you people, guys, gals, whatever. But anyways, we're gonna cook up this it's a pork loin center roast, and we're gonna cook it in a crock pot. Now it's just a small crock pot. Might have been nicer to have a bigger one, but I don't have a bigger one. We're gonna do this real time, so let's just roll. You don't need to measure anything really. I'll just show you. So the only thing that I kind of did was, and actually if I had more potatoes I probably would have done 2 layers, but just line 1 layer of potatoes in the bottom there. I don't know how big this thing is. Just put some potatoes in there. It's like compared to my hand. So anyways, we'll set that there. That's the only thing I pre-did. And really all you need is gonna need some salt, some pepper. If you're unsure of what kind of other spices you like, just get this what is it? Roasted garlic and peppers. Sound good to me. And some cinnamon, if you want to be fancy. And I like garlic, so I have this big thing of garlic I got really cheap. So let's get going. So all I've done, I put some potatoes in there. And this is the roast. So let's get this out of here. And I'll show you what we do with this. Of course I got this on sale, so it's maybe not looking as healthy as some might look, but it will work. Not gonna hurt you. So the first thing we can do here is take a knife, and actually this thing's kind of a little bit frozen. Oh well. I'm just gonna cut into it. Cut some slots in here. Yeah, too bad that's a little frozen, but that's fine. So let's just roll along here. Cut it down probably like 3/4. That looks good. I'll explain why I'm doing this. You know, if you look at recipes online, they're confusing and measuring and fry this, fry that, do this before you do that. We don't need any of that. I'm just gonna rinse off my hands here. No, I'm not gonna rinse off my hands. Alright, because I want to do this quick. I just want to show you like real time. So I have some apples here. What are we gonna do with those? I'll show you here. Let's take this one, and I'm fancy. I have a little apple decor machine device. There we go. Set that there. Now, there's a few options here. I took the core out. These pieces, they might be a little bit too big to jam in there, so I'm just gonna cut them in half like this. I'm gonna stick them. Stick one in there. Stick one in there. Just basically jam the apple in there as best you can. Unfortunately, as I said, this thing's a little bit frozen on the side here, but you know, I guess just have to deal with it. Stick it in there. Oh! Trying to be quick here because, you know, we don't like to mess around. Just get stuff done, right? Stick that in there. Like that. I'm just putting as much as I can in there. Alright. So that'll do. Hang on to these. And what you want to do at this point, okay, I'm just going to leave that. Let's get the rest of this apple cut up. We're working on apples. Let's stick to apples. The apples that I cut up, I'm going to throw these pieces in here. Just like that. And let's go ahead, I'm going to cut got these other ones here. So you might need like 2 or 3 apples. Since I don't have a lot of potato in there, I'm just gonna throw all this apple in there. I mean, sometimes you have to use things up. I really like this core machine though. Throw that in there. I'm just chucking them all in the bowl. Let's do this one too. There's room. Okay. Alright, so. Oh, there's some more there. Now I'm just going to take this thing. I'll throw it in there. There we go. Looking good. Let me get rid of this board. All right, nice, nice, nice. And I'm just gonna take this roasted garlic and peppers, and what I'm gonna do is sprinkle some of that on top of here. I'm trying to get this right into the where the apple is, those cuts. And we're just gonna, there, that should work. Yeah, I'll just put in however much you need, whatever looks good. Now, I also like, we'll just sprinkle a little bit of salt on top. Like, don't go crazy with the salt. Just a little coating. Don't need much. Same with the pepper. You know, just sprinkle a little bit on. Just don't go overboard. And I like, if you don't like garlic, I like garlic. I'll put a little bit of garlic on here. Just again, you know, just sprinkle a little bit on. And the final thing, some cinnamon. And again, just, well, you can't have too much cinnamon, it'll be fine. I'm kind of putting it in where the apple is there. I don't know if you're to measure this. I think everything's probably within like probably a teaspoon size in the end. But there we go. It's basically all ready. And all you do now, set this thing, put your slow cooker on, slow cook. Well, it's a low temperature, which would be slow cook. High temperature would be less slow cook. Anyway, I'm just fooling around. But anyway, so put that in here. And you know what? I am not exactly sure how long this is going to take, but it's going to take as long as it is for me to be gone, which is probably 8 hours. So I'll let you know how it works out, which will seem like just seconds away. Coming right up. Okay, here we are, guys. It's been 9 hours since I left this alone, and I checked the temperature of this roast, and it's actually up at 77 degrees, which is what you want for a well done roast. So this is the roast here. Let's get this out. Let's just do a little quick chop on it here. So that's looking really nice. And then in here, remember we put in the potatoes and apple. This looks just so tasty. So we're gonna have a really nice meal here. I hope you enjoyed the video and saw how easy it is to make yourself a crock pot slow cooking roast. Take care, like, subscribe, come back for more.